Okay everybody, Linda here for the Yarny Fibre Sisters. I'm going to do a quick video showing you how to create a thumbnail to send to Jeannie of for your projects, which will help her to create the slideshows showcasing everyone's work. So as you can see, I'm in PowerPoint and I'm going to click blank presentation. So I click on that and then I go to the top. Across the top of the screen we've got insert. I hope you can see that. Let me just see if you can see that. Oh no, it's gone wider. Anyway, you click it insert and you've got an icon for pictures. I'll just bring it closer. Can you see where my icon is? You click on that and it drops down and you say this device, but at the moment I want a background, so I'm going to click online pictures and this comes up and they have backgrounds here. So I'm going to click on backgrounds and I'm going to click on the blue one. And then I'm going to click down here with the red button and press insert. And I'm just going to wait and insert it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this and I'm going to fill my screen. Oh, hold on. That's not good. So I'll click to undo and then I'm just going to click. It won't move. There we go. Oh, no, not that one. I don't want that one. I'm going to click here. Oops. This, I'm going to click on this. And click this down. And I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to click on the picture and I'm going to pull it down by the center so the whole of the white of the background is clear. So as you can see it, that's clear, isn't it? And then I want to insert my picture. So I'm going to click insert, go to pictures, go to this device, which is my computer. And I'm going to pick, I'm just going to pick Isla's mandala. And then I'm going to make sure that's clicked and I'm going to click it. I'm going to bring it across. And then I'm going to click out of it. I'm going to go back to insert. And there's here it says text box, so I'm going to click on text box and I'm going to move it across. So I'm going to type in there Linda Simpson. And I need to pull this across so it'll bring it across. And then I can bring that across there like that. And I can type Linda Simpson Designs. And then if I highlight that, I can put it center. As you can see, the format is here. So I'm going to click it to center. I'm going to click and I want Algian, and then I'm going to click the size and click 40, and then I'm going to click back into it and make it bigger so it's, can you see? And then I'm going to click out of that and I'm going to put the mouse here, insert text box. I'm going to click that here and then I'm going to put I'm just going to write what it is, 4 weight cotton yarn, and I'm going to put 5mm clover hook, and then I'm going to put Ursula's mandala pattern, and that I will then click out of that, and that is what that is. So I've used a 4-weight yarn, a 5mm hook, and it's Ursula's mandala pattern. So to save it, what I do is go to File, go to Save As, click on Pictures, go to PowerPoint, and you want it as a JPEG. Click on JPEG, and then you could call it May's calendar cal. That's what I'm going to call this, and save it, and just click this one, and there you've got it. So it's all done. I hope that helps. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to contact the Yarny Fibre Sisters, and you know, we will help you. But I just hope that helps you in some small way. So yeah, so I'll just go through it quickly again. So you need to go to Insert Pictures, Online Pictures, which will then give you a different backgrounds that you can use, you know, different items. For example, we're using background, so I clicked on background, and then it came through, made it bigger to fit the actual white background, then clicked on Insert again, and go to this device, which will be your own computer. Pick the picture whatever you want, and then that is download. Then that appears, and using the little arrows on your pictures, you make it as big or as small, and you can move it across. And then to get your word in, you go to text box, click on text box, and you can write something here, and you just use your keyboard as normal and say PowerPoint presentation. Might be a good idea if I can type. So PowerPoint presentation, highlight it, go across to here, and I want it bold, I want it Algerian, and I want it black, I want it centered, and I'm going to make it bigger, 32, and then I can move this across and move that across until I'm happy, and there we go. That's as easy as that. And then you go click to File, Save As, Pictures, or whatever you want to do. I'm going to put it as a JPEG here, and I'm going to leave it as presentation 1 because I've already saved it, and just save, and it's done. So I hope this helps. As I said before, if you've got any questions, just email the Yarny Fibre Sisters, and we'll be only too happy to help. So that's all from me for today. I hope you'll have a wonderful day. Stay safe, and more importantly, guys, be kind to you. Bye bye for now.